Hello everyone, welcome to Talented Developer. In last tutorial we have seen how to use AND operation and we have also write our query. So in this tutorial I am going to show you how to do OR operation. So first of all, what is OR operation? So I need the result like either gender is a female or married status as a false, right? I don't want like AND condition. I need like either married status is a false or gender as a female. So how we can write OR condition? So if you see our old query, we have used AND, right? So similarly what we can do, just come use here $, or if you don't want to use a string format, you can remove it. It will not cause any problem. After that use colon and use array bracket, right? And after that, this is our first condition, right? Just come paste, right? Here I need, like you can see, married status must be false, right? So change as a false, right? And after that what we can see, gender, right? So just come and after that use comma, right? And remove from here, and here I need as a female, right? So we are going to do query OR condition. In that the output can be married status false or gender as a female. Just copy and come here and paste and press F5, right? Just come and check. We are doing married status as a false and gender as a female, right? Open, right? See, gender is a male but married status is a false, right? You can see this is OR condition. Here either this condition satisfy or either this condition satisfy. If any one condition satisfy, it will show your output. There is a chance both condition can be satisfied, right? You can see here, right? Gender female and married status true. If you open the third one, you can see gender female but married status as a false. So this is the OR condition. In OR condition any one condition can be satisfied, but in AND condition both condition must be satisfied.